We often use elements for placeholders, or FPO for position only. In this case, the red box that says picture 1 is my FPO. It's to show where a photograph would go. Other people use pictures of kittens, other people use empty boxes. Various things wind up in there as placeholders. Now, you don't always want to print out those placeholders because there's really no point. So we can selectively make objects non-printable. We can even make a whole bunch of objects non-printable all at once. First, let's do it one at a time. Select the picture frame here. Then I'll go up to Window, Output, Attributes. And this very slim little panel here only has 4 options on it: overprint stroke, overprint gap, overprint fill, or non-printing. Turn on non-printing. Now that object's not going to print. That's all well and good when you only have an object or two that you want to make non-printing. More than that, and it starts to get a little tedious selecting each object and setting its attribute to non-print. Let's turn that off. Close this. In that case, you can set a whole bunch of objects to not print by putting them on a non-printing layer. Just double-click the layer, and here are the layer options, and turn off Print Layer. Now, every object on there simply won't print. And you can tell that it's something special because the layer name gets italicized.